Ever felt like your money just disappears into thin air? You're not alone. We all know we should budget, but the word itself can feel overwhelming. Today, we're diving deep into the difference between simply budgeting and using a powerful tool like YNAB. You need a budget. Buckle up, because we're about to demystify money management. Let's start with the basics. Budgeting, in its simplest form, is about creating a plan for how you'll spend your money. It's like a roadmap for your finances, guiding you towards your financial goals. Think of it like this: you wouldn't embark on a road trip without a map, right? You'd probably get lost, waste time, and maybe even end up somewhere you didn't intend to go. The same goes for your money. Without a budget, your spending can easily get out of control, leaving you feeling stressed and uncertain about your financial future. Now, while traditional budgeting methods like spreadsheets or simple notebooks can be helpful, they often fall short. They can be time-consuming to maintain. They lack the flexibility to adapt to unexpected expenses. And they don't always provide the insights you need to truly understand your spending habits. That's where tools like YNAB come in. YNAB is more than just a budgeting app. It's a complete money management system built on 4 powerful rules. Give every dollar a job. This means assigning a specific purpose to every single dollar you earn. No more unallocated funds floating around aimlessly. Embrace your true expenses. Acknowledge all your necessary expenses, both fixed and variable. This prevents you from underestimating your true financial needs. Roll with the punches. Life throws curveballs. YNAB helps you adjust your budget in real time to accommodate unexpected expenses without derailing your progress. Age your money. Treat your money like fine wine. Let it age in your budget for a short period before spending it. This encourages mindful spending and helps you avoid impulsive purchases. Let's see how YNAB works in practice. Imagine you receive your paycheck. Instead of simply depositing it into your checking account and letting it disappear, you use YNAB to assign every dollar a job. $500 goes towards rent, $200 for groceries, $100 for entertainment, and so on. By giving each dollar a purpose, you gain control over your money and prevent unnecessary spending. YNAB offers a range of features to help you stay on track. Budgeting categories. Create custom categories for all your expenses, from rent and utilities to coffee and entertainment. Recurring transactions. Automate the entry of recurring bills like rent and subscriptions, saving you time and effort. Reports. Track your spending trends over time and identify areas where you can cut back. Community forum. Connect with other YNAB users for support, inspiration, and advice. But YNAB is more than just software. It's about adopting a new mindset towards money. It's about shifting from a mindset of scarcity to a mindset of abundance. It's about recognizing that you have the power to control your finances and achieve your financial goals. YNAB provides the tools and the framework, but ultimately, it's up to you to put in the effort and make it work. YNAB can benefit anyone who wants to take control of their finances, from college students to retirees. It's particularly helpful for people who struggle with overspending. Those who want to save for a specific goal, such as a down payment on a house or a dream vacation. Individuals who want to reduce debt and improve their financial security. Ready to give YNAB a try? Visit the YNAB website and sign up for a free trial. Take some time to explore the features and get comfortable with the interface. Start by entering your income and expenses. Don't be afraid to experiment and find a budgeting method that works for you. While budgeting is essential for financial well-being, YNAB offers a powerful framework and a supportive community to help you achieve your financial goals. It's not a magic bullet, but it can be a game changer for anyone serious about taking control of their money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.